Hi guys, welcome to the part 2 of the Android AdMob series. In this tutorial, we are gonna learn how to implement interstitial ads in our Android application. You may have seen these ads many times. It's covered the whole screen of your Android device. Now in this video, I'm gonna skip some part that I have already done in the previous video. So if you didn't watch the video, click the info card section and watch that video. Now before we begin, if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates. First I'll go to my AdMob account. You'll see a dashboard like this. On the left hand section, click ads. I have already added my application, so I'll click it on my application. To create a new type of ad, click on the add unit. Now this is an banner ad that I have previously created. To create a new type of ad, click new unit. In previous video, I have selected the banner ads, and in this video, we will be choosing the interstitial ads. Give a name to your ad unit. I'm gonna call it interstitial ad. Just like banner ad, you can also customize it in the advanced option, but I will leave as it is and click create ad unit. Now this will generate app ID and the unit ID. I already showed you how to place this app ID, so we'll talk about this add unit ID in this video. Now click this link here. It will take you to the official documentation page. In your Android Studio, this Google repository is automatically added, so you don't have to add it. And I have already added this dependency, so I'm not gonna add it. If you didn't have, you will add this dependency in your build.gradle file and sync your project. Now you have to add this metadata in your Android manifest file and change this ID to your app ID. I have already done these steps, so I'm not gonna do this in this video. Now here you have to select the which type of ad that you are implementing. In this video I am implementing the interstitial ads, so I'll click on interstitial ads. This will take you to the next page. The first thing that you have to do is initialize the interstitial ads. So copy and paste this line. Press Alt Enter to import the class. Now the next thing you have to do is copy and paste these two lines in the onCreate method. So we will copy and paste these two lines of codes in the onCreate method. And here you can see it's provide and sample add unit ID. You have to replace it with your generate app unit ID. So copy the generated interstitial add unit ID and we'll paste it here. Now let's go back to the documentation page. The next step is add this line to our project. This will load our ad. So copy and paste this line. We will not directly implement this code. because it says to show our ads we have to press a button. Nobody press button to see ads. We want to show these ads after some time passed, like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or even a minute. For that, we will go to our Android Studio, and in the onCreate method, we will type schedule executor services. Call it schedule executor services equal to continue in next line executors dot new single thread executors semicolon. Now we will call this schedule executor service object dot schedule at fixed rate new runnable. Inside the run method we will type run UI thread new runnable. This will also generate a run method, and here we can paste our code. So go back to our documentation page, and here we will paste the if else statement. So copy this if else statement, not the whole code, and paste it here. We will import this log class by clicking this red light bulb. But you see it still shows errors. To solve that, we have to paste the time that we want to show our ads. So we will go to the last double closing brackets of our first runnable. Add a semicolon here, and inside the two brackets, comma 5, comma 5, comma time utilities dot seconds. This 5 means 5 seconds. We will show our ads after 5 seconds. I am using 5 seconds for this example. You can use your time that you want for your project. Now let's test our app to see how it's work. Now let's wait for the 5 seconds. You can see that interstitial ads is displaying. I am using a test ID, for that it's showing like this. You can use your actual ID to show your ads.